Okay, so lately I've been doing a bunch of flyers here in Canva, and it's so simple. Literally, if you're looking to do thumbnails or any graphic, I'm telling you, this program is fantastic. So make sure you subscribe because I've been doing a lot of videos about this. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Okay, so we share my screen right here, and again, it's very simple. I do have the paying subscription, but you can also do this with the free one. Just you're not gonna have all the options that I have. But let's say you want to do a flyer about a party or something like that. I know Cinco de Mayo is coming. There's a lot of parties around that, so I'm gonna put it here Cinco de Mayo, and then I'm gonna put flyer. And again, you can start from zero, but they have so many different auctions that it's just ridiculous. So let's come up here and you're gonna see some of the auctions that they have right here. So essentially you could come down and look at some of these ones, and then you could kind of modify definitely. So I'm gonna look at one that maybe can give you the ability to put some information or something like that. Like for example, this one right here is a pretty good one. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click here on customize this template. And now it's going to bring me to this right here. Again, very, very simple. You could just start from here. You don't have to start from zero. So essentially, we're going to look at some of the information. For example, right here is, 5th May 2022. Obviously, we're going to change the year to 2023. It says 7 to 1800. Let's pretend that it's going to start around 1800 or 6 p.m. because that's civilian time. And then you got an address right here. So obviously you could change that. Obviously right here has some information. Maybe you put the name of your party, or maybe you could put something like come to celebrate. Again, you have some ability here to change some of the stuff. If you notice, these things are layers on top of layer. Like there's a layer, there's another layer. So you can see how all these layers kind of work together. But you can make some of this bigger if you want to make this a little bit bigger, like as I'm doing right here. But typically, what I came to find out is that they have it, like said, really, really good, right? So again, usually when you get the flyer, it's like really well made, right? So you can see that right there. I'm gonna bring this down a little bit, and again, it kind of looks like that, right? So very, very simple. You can make a flyer here in Canva. Really, you don't have to do much. I'm just gonna show you another one right here, just so give you a couple different choices. I'm going to add this as a new page, and you have another one right here. And again, everything's done. All you have to do is change some, some of the days, some of the information. This one has a website and things like that. But again, this is the kind of stuff that is already made. If you don't want this and you want to start from zero, you could just add a page here. And again, you can kind of work on this. You could change the background. Like for example, I could make it look like this. Then I could put some words into it if I wanted to. Maybe I like this one's right here. So I'm going to copy this, kind of paste it in there, change the color. So again, you can start from zero if you want to. In my opinion, it's better start with something already made, specifically with Canvas, because they give you that for free. And then you kind of modify it. To me, that's a better way. But again, if you want to start from zero, that is an opportunity as well, right? You could copy some of these words and you can kind of put it in there and do that as well. But again, Canva making it very, very simple for you to kind of have a template that is going to work really well with you. And that's it, guys. Very simple way to make a flyer here in Canva.